Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Feature Friday. I'm here at Henderson's lineup and today we are going to be interviewing one of our amazing technicians that could be working on your coach. So let's go find him. I have with me our technician, Donnie. How are you today, Donnie?
I'm good, doing good. How are you?
Good. Are you ready for your interrogation?
Kinda.
Well, let's get to it. How long have you been a technician?
About 2 years. A little
2 years?
over 2 years, yep.
Have you been here the whole time?
Yeah.
Okay. What is one thing you do every morning before work that prepares you for a successful day?
Go to the bathroom, gotta wake up,
Yep.
Yeah.
What made you first interested in this career?
I grew up with my grandfather and he knows everything about everything when it comes to vehicles, so doing it, that's what I wanted to do. And I had a friend who worked here. He kind of gave me an in the door, so I was able to get on and be a technician, and I've been doing it ever since. I love it.
What is your favorite coach or RV to work on?
Either F53 or the trailers. Trailers, they have so many different things you can do to them. Same with F53s, except on an F53 you rarely run into issues installing things. So it's always very simple, easy, nice installs, lead to a good day. So love trailers and F53s.
What is the most common issue you see with F53s or just trailers?
F53s, it's got to be super light steering. They have a lot of play in the steering wheel. Those steering gears they need to be adjusted a lot. You can adjust them a lot as well and still not feel anything. So that sway on F53s is always a big thing. People come in and get 3 sway bars on them and then they feel the difference. So yeah, definitely big thing on F53s. And on trailers, it's usually the axles. I mean, that's one of our main things here, is doing axle replacements to a independent suspension system. So love doing both of those, and those are also the main issues on both of them.
What's your favorite upgrade to install?
On the F53, it's got to be the front radius rod sway bar combo. Nice and easy, but they go together. So you're doing one, you're pretty much doing both at the same time. And always lines up, works out pretty well. And trailers, it's got to be the MORryde independent suspension system. Pretty hefty job, but leads to 3 good days of work usually, and there's always something going on with them.
Keeps you busy.
Yeah.
What do you like most about working here?
The people. It's fun to work here. It's never a dull moment. There's always something going on, someone saying some stuff, so it's fun to work here.
Oh yeah.
Good environment for sure.
What is one thing people should check before every trip?
Tire pressures, and make sure your brakes are working. If it's a trailer, do a little pull test to make sure you're not going to be getting pushed around on the road when you try and brake. And on your coach, I would definitely check tire pressures. You want to have good tire pressures if you want to have a good ride wherever you're going. So.
Okay. That is the end of your interrogation. Thank you for joining us,
Of
Donnie.
course.
To our audience out there, we wish you safer and happier driving, and we'll see you next time.